What's up, YouTube? Oh, that's bad. Let me start it back over. What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. I know it's been a long while, a long time since, but y'all see who I got. You gonna tell them who you is?
Yes.
Who are you?
Darling.
Jordan. Who am I to you?
Noni.
What is Noni?
My uncle.
Yeah, that's my niece. That's my niece Jordan.
I'm not her niece.
That's my niece Jordan. We finna head to Walmart right quick. I gotta buy some white t-shirts. So me and her finna head to Walmart. And then I got a couple more errands to run.
He's telling me milk.
She wants some milk, so we gotta do all that. And I gotta run a couple more errands. Then tonight, me and Tree gonna leave to go to Florida. So just stay tuned with us. You got anything else you wanna say?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yes.
Jordan finna attempt the shoe dance. She finna Yeah, we found out at Walmart. Jordan looked upset with me because she wanted a toy back. I read about her something at Disney World when I go instead of, just buy her something at Walmart. So when I get back to the house, I'm gonna try to let my nieces and nephews help me clean it because it's bad, man. It's bad, real bad. It just, she unlocked the doors on me because she really ain't get no toilet paper. Mad. She locked the doors. Look at her face.
The wrong way, so we can't fix that. I'm so straight, she mad at you, so she come for me for get back. Next time you bring me up, just make sure you stay big fat. Tell the truth.
Big facts. Big facts. Tryna show me we lies, we ain't with that. Jordan. The girl still mad, y'all. So Jamie, Macy.
It's close to midnight. Something evil's lurking in the dark.
Strike like it's belly, you singing not Kelly, you play get deadly, it's burger no jelly, I'm counting. Don't you see got a whole lot of cash. Triple them got a whole lot of. Don't you see got a whole lot of cash.
Oh shit. Hey, your boy's at the barber shop, so it's hot as hell, I'm sweating this shit. I'ma check back in with y'all in like an hour or so, you know what I'm saying? I'll be back. Fine! You gonna introduce yourself? Tree had the boo-boo, so we had to stop. We had to stop. My hands smell good.
I didn't have to boo.
Man, Tree had to use the restroom, so we had to stop. We like 3 hours away.
They made me drive 8 hours.
4 hours
I
away.
need a new knee.
No, I drove 5. She drove like 3 hours. So
Nuh-uh.
yes.
We left at 1. You stopped driving at 4. Shut up.
And Tree, we had made it to our Airbnb, and it. She's so damn lazy. And it looked nice. It looked lovely. I just closed the blinds because it's kind of hot in here. Like they didn't want to cut the AC on, but it's a nice little cool spot. The only thing I really hate is the right next to the highway. It's kind of noisy, but you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. It'll be okay. Got a room right here. Nice prepared room like this. Got a closet right here that leads into this, another bathroom. So, and this leads back to the kitchen. And this is very good. How you like the house? This the other room. This is tree room. She made me mad. Should I go to this room? And then this one got a bathroom and a closet. So then we gotta finish. We gotta wash and dry here also. But we gotta finish unloading the car. So, and it's hot as hell. Honestly, I was trying to go to the mall, but I don't think I want to do it no more because the apartment look too nice to move out of. So, I mean, we're gonna. Bye. All right. Me and Tree just, where she at? Trying to hide from the camera. We just left the mall of Florida, ain't it? And she did a lot of shopping.
No, I didn't.
What you
I
do?
spent $3. I had gift cards. I spent $3. $3?
But yeah, we finna head to this other mall right quick.
I'm starving.
Yeah, we both hungry. She went down in somewhere. I apologize if this video seemed like unorganized and unput together, because it is. It is unorganized and put together, because we trying to enjoy. It's our first vacation with each other. We trying to enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? Within ourselves, but then we trying to add y'all into the mix too. So I apologize, but you know, just bear with us. We trying to do the best as we can. That's why one moment is different, and next moment we doing something else, and they be doing something else. So you know what I'm saying, bear with us, but we're gonna head to the other mall, and hopefully they got some shit in there.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, you guys, I'm doing this intro. Tree. 9. Try to make sure you still alive. You ain't fall in the toilet. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we at Disney World. We haven't. Oh, it's burnt me. We haven't rode no rides yet, cause we don't know what to ride and how it's gonna be. Look at this little duck. Are we right in front of the Simpsons thing? We finna try to get on net. We only been here for about what, 20 minutes? Yeah. The lines are ridiculous. So if you got the money, I advise everybody to
I'm finna start a GoFundMe.
I advise anybody to any and everybody, if you got the money, to buy the express pass. But even they got like a huge line, so it's kind of, they got the ups and downs. But
ain't no saving at the Haven, man. Hey, man. We can't never go live without me acting racist.
You trying to eat some dog shit with me?
Yeah.
Anything for you, baby.
His eyes moving crazy. Got the horse races.
So do it count?
I'm not sure. I hope it don't. Shit. This is our first ride we're gonna get on. We just rode the ride and Tree was acting foolish, scared, like she always been, but she tell me she wasn't scared. But we're gonna head to this market. SpongeBob crib on deck. Got the Krabby Patties. SpongeBob t-shirt. Jellyfish.
Working. Everyone help me say Barney.
Barney.
Right. Look, it's BJ.
Stand up! Come on, everybody!
I remember this joint.
I think she mad 'cause it rained, so.
You know that I ain't mad. Don't play with me.
It rained.
That ain't wrong, man. Put the camera off now. Well, really?
We kind of forgot about this. Mostly because we just wanted to spend time with each other. We didn't want to have no camera in our face all the time like
Why is
that.
her hair orange? Red.
We'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll record something else if we do something else, but it's like 7:40.
We gonna do something else.
Okay, y'all, me and True finna head to the Volcano Bay. I was trying to get there at 10, but it's 10:09. We got like a 15-minute drive, so we probably get there around 10:30. You know what I'm saying? It's another day of fun activities. And she just doing what she do best, but I'm gonna talk back to y'all when we get into the park.
Ay, funny how they shook, ay, got you niggas shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself, take a look, ay, I'm a bar spitter.
They gave us these little cool little watches. They're just nice. Beautiful. Hands down, I think I got the best shorts in here, y'all.
Florida. As soon as we get back to Memphis, we packing our bags and come back.
Which is appreciated, but I feel like I should step on it. I ain't gonna do that though. But here we go. Volcano Bay. It's raining once again, but we ain't gonna let that stop us. It's not gonna affect us too much. We got 15 minutes for this ride and stuff like that, so that's cool. And I went to get going, so we're gonna talk back to y'all when we get back later. Y'all, the ride said 15 minutes, but this shit was more like 15 seconds. As soon as I cut the camera off, it said that the ride was ready. Yeah, but as you can see, we no longer at the water park. We're headed to the Wax Museum. Tree back there taking pictures, being old. And we're gonna get y'all a look inside the Wax Museum too. I feel like this video gonna be at least 17 minutes long, and I apologize if it's too long. Here go Tree right here.
You gotta picture me rolling, packing a semi, call it.
She finna get a wax finger.
Ready for war like Korea. Headlining shows out in Poland. You should be cleaning my mansion. My pet.
Yeah, but y'all, we're gonna end the video right here. I think I might make the video for SeaWorld tomorrow. Yeah, I don't separate video because this video gonna be too long.
You should have stopped it and restarted it. But tonight on the Orlando Eye was so much fun. This movie is so good. And we went to the Wax Museum. I seen all my brothers and sisters and aunties and uncles and cousins and distant cousins. So much fun.
I don't know what museum she was at. We down Show Entertainment Museum. But I might add something in here for the SeaWorld tomorrow, y'all. Guys, another day. We finna head to the aquarium, the SeaWorld aquarium. I think it's SeaWorld Aquarium, Sea Life, something like that. It's an aquarium out here in Orlando. And yeah, Tree in the back. As you guys know, she always with me. But we just gonna check back in with y'all when we get there.
I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life. For life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive. 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 I wish that I could have this moment for life, for life, for life. This is my moment, I just feel so alive.
Oh, it's so soft. It's soft. It's real soft. Ooh. But right now we at the Sugar Factory. Okay, y'all, we back at the Mall of Florida to do some more shopping. Look at Trey looking like a Just look at that booty. Look like 2 gallons of orange juice. Just pluck up, pluck up, pluck up. Look at it. Pluck up, pluck. It should look good, y'all. I know. This girl been shopping her ass all. Back in the car, we did some shopping, man. Tree done got a teddy bear, a charm, makeup. She bought clothes for herself, and she just that nigga, man. Everybody want to be like Tree.
How about clothes for yourself?
She brought me some clothes too. Like, she was sweet. She was being very innocent and thoughtful and precious.
My bracelet. Show me my bracelet.
Oh yeah, she got our names carved on their bracelet. Well, they can't really. They got my name, Noonie. Then they got in Trey was Tree. It's Tree. It's what it's not Trey. It's Tree. But we finna head back to the house. We finna go get some washing powder. Washing powder.
Idiot boy! Idiot boy!
Washing powder. Washing powder. But we finna go get some washing powder. She tripping.
I'm dead as fuck. I wanna snatch his wig off.
Okay, you guys, me and Tree just came back from date night. I think I'm gonna end the video right here. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was just our first road trip, our first vacation, and me and her, we got many more to come. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please feel free to, you know what I'm saying, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, do all that, you know what I'm saying. But I just want to say, everybody who watched the video, have a blessed life and have a good life, man. Enjoy yourself. Life is short. Travel. Love a lot, love a little. You know what I'm saying? We just do a lot while you're here on this earth, man. I just want to say thank y'all once again for liking the video. Tree in the room, she probably gonna say thank you too, but she kind of sleepy or drunk. But you know, I'm just gonna say it because I'm the one that's sober. But I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and peace out.
I just wait till it develop. Anything you want that's precious, take your time, you can't be careless. Used to plot to cop the necklace in a Benz that drive it reckless, but material wealth is selfish. Only go sit on my